Hi, it's Wayne Marriott from Marriott Lane Real Estate in Crow's Nest. People new to property management often think that what they're wanting is high rent and low fees. This isn't what they should be wanting. When you have a good look at things, number one on the list is protecting the property, protecting that investment. They've gone and spent a lot of money on the property, or it's been a property they've had for a long time. They want it looked after, so when the tenant leaves, they would like the property returned to them in the same sort of state that they gave it to them. Number two is getting a fair return on their investment. Number three is the communication between the owner and the agent. There's so much grief where phone calls aren't returned, people don't get informed. So having a relationship where you're kept informed, you can trust things are being done out of earshot and eyesight, that's very, very important to owners. Number four is actually having a happy tenant. Most owners would like the tenant to enjoy property that they're providing to them. Protecting your investment. How's that done? Well, the first thing is selecting a good tenant. Most problems will start with a selection of a poor tenant. Attracting good tenants, selecting a good tenant, and keeping a good tenant is fundamental to protecting your property. Second most important thing is the initial condition report and follow-on routine inspections. Having a condition report that completely describes the property is your basis for establishing what has happened to the property if there's any damage. Other parts to protecting your property is having good landlord insurance and keeping it well maintained. If you get those things right, you'll have a very happy experience with your investment in real estate.